Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use TextNow outside the US. Hey everyone, in today's video, let me show you how to use TextNow outside the US. First, if you've traveled abroad, you may notice that TextNow is no longer accessible on your device, or you can even download it from the Play Store or App Store. The solution is simple. Use NordVPN. With NordVPN, you can protect your digital identity, access restricted apps, and enjoy fast, secure connections. To get started, open your browser and go to the NordVPN site, or you can also download it from your App Store or Play Store. Once installed, open NordVPN, connect to a US server, and you'll be able to download, install, and run TextNow on any devices anywhere in the world without issues. It's quick, secure, and keeps you connected. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.